Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix 80% charging limit not working on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you want to go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on battery. Then you want to scroll down the battery page, click on battery protection. Now go ahead and set this to maximum. Then your Samsung phone will stop charging once it gets to 80%. And if it is not stopping at 80%, just go ahead, check the slider and make sure set this to 80%. And if this is not fixing the problem, what you need to do is go ahead and check for available update by clicking on software update. Then click on download and install. This is going to prompt your Samsung phone to check for available updates. And if there is an update available, you just need to go ahead, download and install the update. You see that? Update your phone. So just go ahead, download and install the update, and then you will be good. So click on download, and that is it. So that is exactly how you can easily fix 80% charging limit not working on your Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.